walking along Napoleon here, give you an idea that houses, beautiful spreading oaks in this area. This is the uptown. You can see these old trees here, just a symbol of age. Hopefully we'll get into some of the nice houses along Napoleon. It's always been one of my favorite streets in New Orleans. It's well kept. Here's a subject of our YouTube show today. It's Pascal's Manali on Ryades and Napoleon. It's a place I first had a decent shucked off oyster back in the early 70s, and also learned the delicious secrets of barbecue shrimp. These are one of the famous places. I've been here, coming here since I was 21 years old, and that's a long time ago, folks. It's still the same. It's a beautiful place to come for me. I no longer live in New Orleans, but I just have an attachment to it, especially this place. What is that, a 50-pound, Thomas?
Well, at least 50.
Okay.
At least 50.
That's what we'll be seeing opened up right now. Now, Thomas, how long have you been working here?
I've been working it for 38 years, started off in the kitchen, then decided to try something different. Taught myself how to do this by watching other people. Pretty simple thing to do. You got the back of the oyster, which is the hinge. You kind of hold it to your comfort. Get your knife, put your tip of your knife in. You kind of wiggle it until your head pop. You do like that, and I slide it over. I pass the knife across the shell, not sideways, but down, and I curve the knife until I follow the shell so it can release. And you should want to try to get all of the oyster that you can from the shell. Better presentation and presentation part, man.
Yes.
And anyone can do it if they just keep at it for a while.
Do a couple thousand, you get good at it, huh? Just like anything.
Yeah.
Here we are at Esplanade in Bourbon. Just met up with our friend Blair, who gives us a tour of this mansion here. Gorgeous place. I can't catch it on camera. It's just too spectacular. This is one of the things that got me into the antique business. Look at that tremendous three-piece double set there. Probably 300 pieces of glass in those three windows. This street is full of them. This is the best of New Orleans. St. Charles Avenue, the greatest houses, the sugar plantation guys, or the shipping magnates, or the cotton field owners lived on this. New Orleans smart enough during the Civil War too. They surrendered immediately after the war began, and my first time they were challenged and saved the city from being ruined. A lot of these probably would have been burnt. They're pretty civil war. It's a small little house here, a little guest house for us. New Orleans streetcar, baby. They're sweet. I walk about another mile and I take the streetcar into town. Gorgeous. What a city, man. It was Louis Armstrong said there are three great American cities. New York and LA, which are now getting beat up. And then a city that's always been beat up, New Orleans. It's just a great anomaly in America.